In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix YouTube app error try again later on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if the error goes away. You can also turn airplane mode on for a few seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your connection. Next, close the YouTube app completely and reopen it. If that does not work, restart your iPhone. This helps clear temporary bugs that might be causing the issue. Likewise, check for app update. Navigate to App Store, search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. Running an outdated version can cause error like this. If the problem continues, check the date and time in your device. For that, close this, launch settings, go to General. Navigate to the option date and time, toggle on for the option set automatically. Incorrect time settings can sometimes cause connection errors. Likewise, check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Down Detector. Search for YouTube. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be fixed from their end. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the YouTube app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then navigate to App Store, search for the app YouTube and install it. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.